Hi. Welcome to the channel.
Alright, let's test out this camera, shall we? As you can see, or not really see, I'm riding my bike! And I got new setups where you can hear me yipping and yapping as I fucking ride my dang bike. So, without further ado, let's go have some fun. Bomb up and down the road. Yep. Maybe we'll go do a little bit of an adventure here. I know of a little spot, sandy spot. Oh, there's Kyler, got his boat done. If you're watching this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and as well as maybe go check out Honda Hoarders on Facebook, as well as Honda Hoarders Canada. I am the admin of the Canada one, with permission from the mother page of Honda Hoarders to start that page, of course. But yeah, here we are out in BC, Wycliffe area. Testing this camera. Well, it's not really testing it. I've had this camera lots. Testing the mic so you guys can hear me yipping and yapping as I ride my bike. Just kind of going slow. Don't know this area well, mainly because I haven't been over here. And there's a shooting range right over here, so that's another thing. Do a wheelie for the crowd. Oh, what's up? Crossing, slow down, oh god, oh shit, oh, ice. What's up, people? Rip it. Oh man, it's all full of water and shit. Oh shit. Oh god. Turn. I don't want to go in that. No. We'll go check out the rails to trails. Oh, yeah. Wondering to yourself, what the hell contraption am I riding? Well, this was an 86 Honda 50R, and I decided to wreck it and made it a little bit taller for taller people, not including me. I'm not tall, but has 17-inch front, 14 rear. It's all right, you know. I plan on actually returning the bike back to stock. Mainly because I've been hated on by this bike. Let's get a quick shot. That's a picture video. What? Maybe we'll add a little bit of this. She's idling pretty good. It's a Giovanni 125cc. It's not really a Canadian company, but there's a lot of Canadian companies that sell the Giovannis, even though it's from Japan or China, wherever. They're all the same. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's do a couple circle wheelies. Try on first gear. That's neutral. Oh yeah. Just had to bog on me, or else I would have went. Well, there it is. As you can see, I'm not doing much yapping, mainly because, well, I have no one to ride with. I'm all by myself. Today, anyway. Hopefully this is some of the last days I ride by my damn self, because it's boring riding by myself. The three of us do not get along very well. Shut up! Anyway. I leveled that yard with the bulldozer. Looks good. Looks good. Compliments of me. Just putting along, you know, not doing any harm. I'm getting a phone call. Justin?
You won't answer my video chat.
Well, I'm on my bike. I didn't hear it. I pulled out last second. Should we go back to video chat or what? Holy shit. You're on a lake. Almost looks like Ontario. Okay, hold on, I gotta pull over. I'm trying to do a video. One sec, hang on, let me just, okay, I got, oh. Okay, we're good. That's pretty cool though.
Yeah, this is what we've been doing all day, driving on ice.
Oh, so much fun. Well, that's Justin. He's on most of my videos. He was up in Yellowknife right now. Just wanted to go for a drive. Must be nice. 21 hours away. Chilly, can't lie, not a bit. Nice people. He waved. Usually you get the finger if you're riding a dirt bike. So that's good. We're off to a good start. Oh man, I wish I had someone to ride with. This is bowling. This is bowling. Let's make it more interesting. Let's go up the rails and trails. Fuck it! It's 50 cc's, so I'm pretty sure you're allowed to. I almost clipped that. Trying not to push it just yet because we're not allowed to do this. But then again, it's only a 49cc motorcycle, so it should be allowed anywhere. Nice little trail. Get the phone out here. 13 kilometers from Cranbrook or Kimberley. You decide. There should be a bench right there. I knew it. I knew we were near it. Get the glove on. We'll go up there to the bench. Trying to fall over. No motorized down there. See, I'm not down there. See, I'm up here. And I didn't see no sign that says no motorized. Ha-ha. Well, would you check that out? Oh, man. I'm losing the bolt. I'd prefer not to lose that at all. So that's going in my pants.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me.
Oh yeah, be sure to like and subscribe. Hope you're enjoying this short little video. Nothing too crazy, me just jabbering away, riding around, being lonely. That's what I do. Nobody wants to go and have fun with Kyle because they can't handle Kyle. I don't know. Either way, like and subscribe. Keep going.
She's just purring away. Look at this. Good little Honda Giovanni thing. Ooh, brum. It's fucking down there. See all the elk track down there on the side of the water? Nice. Oh. That was a noise I'd prefer not to hear again. Probably the big ass tire rubbing on my skid plate. Tire's a little too tall, rim's a little too tall, but whatever. Make it work. Just taking it easy, you know, because, you know, I don't want to get in too much shit. Just a little. Let's go check out the bridge. Of course, there's a fucking vehicle. I'm wondering what I'm doing, trying to give me shit. I'll just wave, keep going. There's a pedal bike, don't you know? Nobody's in it. Fuck 'em. I don't even know how much gas I have. Oh well. Hit it! Little. Oh, didn't make it. anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's another one done. On to the next one.
I'm standing outside the window. 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 I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time.